Motor vehicle travel is the primary means of transportation in the United States, providing an unprecedented degree of mobility. Yet for all of its advantages, injuries resulting from motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death for age 4 in every age group from 11 to 27. In 2010, 32,885 people were killed in the estimated 5.5 million police-reported motor vehicle traffic crashes. 2.2 million people were injured, and 3.9 million crashes involved property damage only. An average of 90 people died each day in car crashes in 2010. That's 1 every 16 minutes. Because many people are affected by car crashes, I wanted to help folks know what to do in a crash and answer a few basic questions. A common question is, what information should I obtain after a crash? Obviously, you should seek immediate medical attention if you are injured. However, after everyone is out of danger and medical and law enforcement's assistance has been arrived, you should obtain the full names of the drivers of the vehicles involved, driver's license numbers, addresses. Take pictures of their driver's license. Get the full names and addresses of any passengers, full names and address of any pedestrians or other parties involved. Also get the full name and address and phone numbers of any witnesses. Take notes. Persons who have been involved in personal injury crashes need to write down if the person appeared to be under the influence of alcohol or drugs, if the other parties claimed not to be hurt at the time, parties who made references to being at fault, the direction of the vehicle is traveling immediately prior to the accident, the time of day, or the weather conditions. Another common question is, should I call the police after an accident? Contact law enforcement immediately. It ensures the fastest documentation of the crash and will allow for immediate investigation of the crash. Police also sometimes take witness statements, look for drunk drivers, and note injuries occurred at the scene. Sometimes they will even secure an admission of fault from the negligent driver. Even in minor accidents, you should resist the temptation to only take the person's information. There's no logical reason to trust a stranger who just crashed into you without official documentation. Sometimes I'm asked, should I contact an attorney after a crash? If you feel as though you need one, you should contact an attorney immediately. Should you contact your own insurance company? Yes. Some insurance companies put a clause in the contract that says if you do not cooperate and contact them, they can void coverage. Should you go see a doctor? As I've told clients for 20 years, if you begin to have pain and you think you're injured, you need to go see a doctor. What should you tell your doctor after an accident? Tell them everything. Any complaint that you have, tell them. Should you take pictures? Take as many pictures as you can from different angles, different locations, moving around your vehicle as though it was a compass. Start at the 12 o'clock and move all the way around in a clockwise position and photograph the entire vehicle, both your vehicle and the other party's vehicle. I hope this information is helpful, and if you need anything in the future, please feel free to contact me at my office, 214-855-1420.